These are Australian parrots. Each of these chicks was born 5 days apart. This is why they look so different. The first chick to hatch from the egg is much bigger than the last one. Their parrot is very fair. We give each chick the food it needs. This chick is still a lot bigger than the others. But miraculously, it shares its food with the smallest and the weakest things, feeds it from its own mouth. Does the little chick show self-sacrifice? Why give food to its weak brother? Those who that animals just about themselves could never explain the reason for this. But as you see, the right time with its smaller and brother. Because of the sense of solidarity and sharing that God develop in a healthy way.